Okay, continue with the part 2 logarithmic function. So these two questions is come from learning worksheet chapter 2. So this is question number 9 and 11. So let's take a look at how to solve this kind of equation. So for the question A, question 9a. Okay, so you are given log under a log. So it means that the first thing is you open the first log. So it means that it will become 2 to the power of 2 first. Okay, so it means 2 to the power of 2. So the left hand side, you just copy down the inner log. The outer log already convert become index. You get the point here? So again, 3 to the power of, as we know that this is a 4. So the right hand side will become 3 to the power of 4. And then this one just copy down only 2x minus 1. So this is equals to 81. So we get that 2x equals to 82. X is equals to 41. So it's very simple. Quick and easily done, eh? Okay. So now we look at question B. So what is a dominant function? Is a log or square root function? So this is the first thing we have to take a look, eh? So the very first notation obviously is cover the whole left hand side. So it means that we should make the first square root function disappear. Therefore, okay, we're squaring both sides. Okay, so the initial step for the question B is squaring both sides. Okay, so we should obtain log to the base 2. Inside is the x plus 6. And as usual, I always say that I will make the power in terms of rational form. And then the right hand side, do not forget after you square it, you should get 2 squared, right? Which is equals to 4. So again, so it's come back to the single log right now. So convert to the right hand side is a 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So this one you bring it down, so which is x plus 6 to the power of 1 over 2. Okay. So what you have to do right now is squaring both sides again. So you get x plus 6 equals to 16 square. So the value is become bigger lah. Okay, 16 square. So as you know, there is a 256, right? So now it's 256. Automatically the x is equals to 250. So it's not that difficult for the question number 9. Okay, so now we look at question number 11. Okay, how to solve this and what's the differences between the previous one? Okay, continue with the question 11. So you found that the very obvious difference is the base is x and the base is x squared. So we have to decide, okay, we have to decide which base you would like to remain. Okay, so for sure we try to remain the x lah. Okay, so we change the base become the x. Base x. We choose the easier one, don't choose the complicated one. So it means the first one is still log 9 to the base x plus. So as long as involve changings of base, it must have a fraction will happen. And the 5 over 2 just copy only. So that on top it will be log to the base x. At the bottom is also the same log to the base x. So this will be 3. This will be x squared. Okay. So clear with it, eh? So from here, this one, as we know that log x squared to the base x. So when you move the 2 in front, it's become 2 log x to the base x, which is equivalent to 2. Okay. So you found that it's much more easier, right? Okay, then the next thing you have to do right now is, okay, since this one, they have the same base, okay, they have the same base, so, and this is just a number 2, so everything is become much more easier. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I would like to cancel out the fraction. So now you have the fraction 5 over 2 here. So I will choose multiply 1 over 2 to both sides. Okay, multiply 1 over 2 to both sides. Okay, I don't want the rational form. Sorry, it's a multiply 2 and not 1 over 2. It should be multiply 2. I don't want the fraction, so it should be multiplied 2. So you get 2 log 9 to the base x plus log 3 to the base x. Okay, because the 2 is eliminated and the right hand side it will be only 5. Okay, what else we have to do? Back to the previous situation, right? So they have the different coefficient. So you can bring up the 2. So I can say that the left hand side is a single base log 81 times with 3 equals to 5. You get a point here? Okay, because 9 to the power of 2 is 81 and this is a plus. Okay, so 81 times 3. Okay, which is a 243 for the left side. So you can get that log 243 to the base x is equals to 5. So change your index form x to the power 5. Normally I will let the unknown or variable at the left hand side. It's much easier for us to solve. So 243, so we can try to think about it. I can try an error. Anything power 5 is equals to 2 over 3. So maybe I try 3 power 5. Okay, this is not this power 2, 3 power 5. It's a 243. So you can start from the prime number line 2, 3, 5. You can try an error. So it's a 3 to the power of 5. So it means that therefore x is equals to 3. So it's quite simple. Okay, it's quite simple. Okay. So if you still have any question, please try to ask furthermore about what is the equation of logarithm. That's all for today. See you back.